It's right there. Just flip that up. There's your USB port. It is right below your dash. Right there. There's the jack and there's the USB port. The Toyota RAV4. Steering wheel to the right, down, 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 down. Right there. Okay, 2018 Toyota RAV4. The USB port is steering wheel's right there, and you come over. That's where that's at. And there's a little jack of sorts right there. But there's your USB port. That's where it's at on a 2018 Toyota Ravioli. Now, you just watched the 2018 Toyota RAV4 USB port location video. That's where the USB port is. It's right there in the center console, just up on the dash below. Yeah, so one difference from the 2010 RAV4 that I usually work on and the 2018 RAV4 here is the 2010, this is the 2018, so the top glove box is open on this 2018, whereas the 2010, it's closed. There's like two different glove boxes, which I liked on the 2010 because you just press the button and it opens up straight up. It's pretty cool, but this is okay. I mean, it's open concept, so you can just set stuff up here on the ledge. So it's the same stuff. I mean, but I like the 2010 one better because it's hidden. So you can, put your stuff up there, like, your insurance card and driver's license and all that. So driving a RAV4 is a lot of fun. I really enjoy driving RAV4s, and this is someone else's girlfriend's RAV4 right now, the 2018. So it's pretty cool when you meet somebody that drives the same vehicle as you do. I'm used to 2010. This is a 2018, and it's nice. This is the year vehicle out. This is 2024. I mean, in a 2018 vehicle. This is the year vehicle I would get. I wouldn't buy a brand new vehicle. I mean, it's kind of silly to buy, unless you're like a millionaire or whatever. But so yeah, I would get like one that's used, a few years old or whatever. It's like the perfect car because they're really reliable. Really reliable. I mean, I just changed the alternator in my Toyota RAV4, but that was, it's got 140,000 miles on it, and yeah, so it's good times. I mean, you want to always make sure your good times outweigh your bad times. Yeah, so this is the 2010. So as you can see, it's closed at the top, so you can push this button in, and it'll open it up. Push it down, it gets stuck. And then the bottom, a normal glove box. So that's pretty cool. I got blood stuck underneath my finger here. But anyway, that's cool. Really cool. Too cool, actually. Yeah, this is the 2010. So, yeah, so that's the... Now, it was really scary. Every time I use the extra AC button here, the power... I got that running, and then like the auxiliary port down here, right here. Whenever I have them both run at the same time, I think it uses too much juice. And I was at a stoplight, and it turned green, and I pushed the gas pedal to go. It wouldn't go. The vehicle wouldn't go. So I pulled out all the auxiliary and AC, turned off the AC, that extra power, not the air conditioner, but that power. Alternating current, and then I tried I'd turn the vehicle all the way off, and I turned it back on, and then I was able to put it in drive and go. That was scary. You just can't use too much juice, man. It wouldn't go like the electric, because when you push the gas pedal, it uses the computer systems. But anyway, all right. Okay, I just did a video on the RAV4, and it had to do with the USB port and the location of it. So yeah, let me play a little. Let me try to get this set up here. I did a video on the USB port. It was fun. A lot of fun. I did a video. Did a video on the RAV4. It was very fun. I showed where the location was of the USB port, so you can plug in your devices and charge them or use them. My 2010 RAV4, and I try to charge my smartphone and play Bluetooth at the same time and drive for 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes. My car at a stoplight, I went to hit the gas pedal and it didn't go anywhere. So I had to unplug all that stuff and turn off the alternating current button, the power button, which then I turned the car completely off and I turned it back on and it worked. I was able to push the gas pedal and my car went. It was really scary. I have a new alternator, new battery, but for some reason it couldn't handle all that juice, all that extra. It's a 120 volt outlet. It's like an AC outlet that you get in your house. It's in the car. The direct voltage couldn't handle from the car battery. It drew too much power over too long of a time. My smartphone, I don't even think smartphones existed back in 2010. Back when they were manufacturing the car in 2009 and 2010. Smartphones were just in their infancy, so they take a lot of juice to power all the things a smartphone does. So we're dealing with advanced technology 14 years later, and the car can't handle it. It was like, heck no. Push the gas pedal. It's more like an electronic / gas pedal, because it's got to go through all the circuitry first, all the electric. And it's got to tell the computer. The computer tells whether to open up the valve, open up the whatever you call it, to let the gas and air into the combustion chamber, so to get power to go. Turn that crankshaft, turn that wheel. There we go. Back. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. And again. There we go. Oh. Hit the ceiling. Here we go. Are you ready? Turn this around. Oh, okay, hold on. Almost. Oh, I think it's this one. Got it. Yes. Excellent.